I am not excited. Thailand is excited to have me.
Pranay, how many lady boys are you going to encounter this time?
No money, free.
Akshay, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fresh, active, and I'm going to explore Padang tonight.
Much. See you soon. Good.
Hold up.
Alright guys, it's 3:15 a.m. What's the time, bro? Okay,
Good
4
morning,
a.m.
Harsh.
It's 4 a.m. and we are at Bengaluru Airport Terminal 2. So by looking at the thumbnail of this video, everyone knows where we are heading. It's gonna be one amazing trip. You're gonna see a lot of content that's gonna be shot throughout the way. So stay tuned and watch until the end. Sishin, thank you so much. See you soon. Gonna get you some goodies from Thailand. How much did you buy him for?
No money, free.
No money, no honey.
Harsh, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for this trip, bro?
I am not excited. Thailand is excited to have me. I am not excited. Thailand is excited to have me.
So, from your last trip, what was one of the best things you did in Thailand?
Landing back in India.
Very fair answer. So, for the first 2-3 vlogs, just excuse me if I'm not getting the angles right because I'm new to the camera. I'm using the DJI Pocket 3 and it's my first time using this gimbal camera. Well, this camera is definitely going to get a lot of footages that you wouldn't have expected from us in this vlog.
Justin's finger game is going to improve.
This finger game using the gimbal, guys. Yes, for sure. So before even going to Thailand, we're getting trippy screens. What is the meaning of this?
It means it's a trip.
Wait.
Hello. We have 2 men. I don't know what they call themselves. What do you all refer yourselves as?
The landing was definitely not smooth at all, but here we are. Touchdown Thailand, guys. So, touchdown Thailand. Pranay, how many lady boys are you going to encounter this time? The man's shying away because of his marriage. But actually, you tell me.
What?
How many lady boys do you think is going to encounter you this time?
Everybody lady boys, so that to be aware.
Even the men.
Yeah, even the men.
Say last time by mistake he got a lady boy.
No money, no honey.
So there's a long ass queue there, guys, but we got a priority crew, diplomatic, or an official entry or exit, whatever that is. And yeah, just got through it by just paying 100 baht extra. So the first thing to do when you're in Phuket is get an eSIM. We're here and getting an eSIM by True. Apparently, this is one of the best. ಸಖತ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಗುರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಸಖತ್ ಮಜಾ ಬರ್ತಿದಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ನೀನ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ? So it's really funny how there is a lot of banners saying illegal wildlife trade is prohibited, but all they do is eat wildlife.
They eat beyond wildlife also.
They eat beyond wildlife for sure. So our ride is here and this is gonna be our ride, guys. Let's go. It's a huge ass vehicle. Definitely going to be a comfortable trip. It's a 1 hour long journey. It's 3,000 Indian rupees for this, about 1,200 baht, and I think it's really worth it with the comfort that's going to be provided here. Akshay, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fresh, active, and I'm going to explore Padang tonight and
Awesome,
spend
bro.
some good time with you guys.
It's so humid here, bro.
It's super humid.
It kind of feels like Mangalore or something.
Yeah.
You guys definitely know what plans these are. and they are completely legal and recreational here in Thailand, anywhere in Thailand, and that's the best part. Alright guys, so we are super hungry and we have come out to eat. And yes, we have come straight with our suitcases. A lot of places here to eat. A lot of restaurants. It looks like a complex filled with a lot of street food. Let's figure it out. So our Indian roots bring us to an Indian restaurant first. It's called Tandoori Flames. Guys, this is how a real mango juice or a mango lassi should be served with an actual mango. Where is the actual mango in India?
But they have a mango in February. That's the weirdest thing.
So we just had one of the best paneer tikka ever. This was suggested by Harsh and we are at this place right now. Harsh, why do you say it's the best? What flavors does it give you?
Orgasm.
Orgasm. Just one word for it. So this is how Brandamic comes to Thailand. This is their style. This is their wife. Here's the founder. He designed this tuk-tuk with a TikTok sticker behind. So from the flights to an airport taxi, now in a tuk-tuk with some really good speakers and sound system behind. Full explicit content only in this vlog. We're finally here at our hotel. What's the hotel called, bro?
It's called the Natural Resort.
Even though the journey was just 3.5 hours, it just felt like way too much because of the 2-hour time difference. And also, we stopped at a lot of places and stopped for food as well. But finally, we are at the hotel with the gang right here. And this is the pool of our stay. We have taken a 3 BHK, what?
Villa.
3 rooms villa.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is the amazing pool that's here, guys. Have a look. Guys, the stay is more than our expectation. We thought we'll get like some random rooms. We were literally struggling for rooms because we did not book anything and we came here and booked. And behind me is the stay, guys. Let me show it to you. This is our view, the pond. This is the whole place. It's beautiful, isn't it? And as you go in, so you have a common area here and a beautiful seating right there. Here is the first room. And there's Akshay. And there's Harsh. Let's see. Here we have a kitchen. And we have a common washroom as well here. What else do we have? We have another room here. Man, this place is huge. So spacious. Super comfortable. I'm so glad we got this place. We probably might continue this even tomorrow. It is too good, bro. It's really good.
It's really good.
Super good. And I love the view, bro. Like, just see the view there.
Beautiful.
Man,
Look at the view there.
crazy view. Alright, guys. So we finally got some good rest, which was much needed. I'm feeling much more fresh right now. It was a really exhausting flight. And then, I don't know, I think it's a shift in time zone as well as a lot of, things that came our way and the places we stopped. And finally, we could get some rest. I had like 2 hours of sleep and I'm feeling much fresh now. This place looks nice even in the night. Yes, the shades are always going to be on. Let's say hi to the rest.